Good day YouTube, it's me, SuperMinecraftMe, and welcome back to my series on making music in Minecraft. Today in this video we're going to be focusing on timing, and in doing so we'll take a look at these repeaters. Now this is what we made last video. Observe. As you can see, we used the pressure plates to activate the Noteblox as we walked past. But this is hardly the best method. These pressure plates are very loud and make the annoying click sound every time you step on them. And so we will be replacing them with our new method. And in my opinion, the better method. We're going to be using repeaters. Now a repeater works by taking the redstone from one block and after a delay putting it into another block. Observe. Now this repeater is set to its lowest setting. This delay is 1/10 of a second. We can increase the delay by right clicking on it. This repeater is now set to 2 ticks. In other words, 2/10 of a second delay. Then we have 3 ticks and its highest setting, 4 ticks. 4 ticks is 4/10 of a second and sounds like this. So now what we can do is we can connect up all of these and set them each to 4 ticks. And now we can listen to it. As you can see, the sound quality is much better because we don't have the pressure plate clicking in between. Now we can move on to note length. In real-world music, notes come in all sorts of lengths. These notes can be translated to Minecraft through repeaters. The first note we will be looking at is the crotchet, as shown on the screen. A crotchet is also known as a quarter note, as it is a quarter of a whole note. In Minecraft, a crotchet will be represented by a repeater set to 4 ticks. Next up we have a minim, as shown on the screen. A minim is also known as a half note, and it takes up twice as much time as a crotchet. And so in Minecraft, will be represented by using 2 repeaters set to 4 ticks. Next up, we have a semi-brief. Now, the semi-brief is also known as a whole note, and it takes up the space of 2 minims or 4 crotchets. So in Minecraft, a semi-brief would be represented by 4 repeaters set to 4 ticks. The next note that we will look at is the quaver. A quaver is worth half of a crotchet and so is also known as the 8th note. In Minecraft, a quaver would be represented by a repeater set to 2 ticks. This is a semiquaver. A semiquaver is also known as a 16th note and is 1/16 of a whole note or semi-brief, and will be represented in Minecraft by a repeater set to its lowest setting of 1 tick. Now we can take a look at time signatures. A time signature can usually be found at the beginning of a piece of sheet music, and is usually represented by a number on top of another number. The number on the top signifies how many beats are in the bar, a bar being a short measurement of time, and the number on the bottom signifies which beat is used in the bar. Take the most common example of a time signature, 4/4. The 4 on the top tells us that there are 4 beats in the bar, and the 4 on the bottom tells us that the beats are quarter notes or crotchet notes. And so altogether, we know that there are 4 crotchet beats in a bar. The same applies to 3/4, which is 3 crotchet beats in a bar, and 6/8. 6/8 means 6 quaver beats in a bar, because a quaver is an eighth of a whole note. Now, it's all well and good to have your melodies played by repeaters in a long straight line. But what if you wanted to repeat your melodies over and over again? Well, you could play them and keep playing them, but that would be time consuming and require you to be here. You could also recreate your melody on the end of the old one and just have it continue on, but that would be incredibly time consuming and would use up a lot of room as well. And so instead, what we can do is place Noteblox in a loop with repeaters going all the way around, connecting back up to the first note block. Now this loop as it is would be very boring because it's all the same note. So we can set these to be their own individual notes. And then we can play it to listen to it. If you ever wish to stop the loop, you can destroy this repeater and it will cut it off. Then to start it again, you place it back and you press the button again. Now that we've reached the end of the video, I have today's challenge for you. Go into your Minecraft world and create your own note block loop. It can be as many note blocks as you like, but have at least 4. You can mess around with the timings of the repeaters as well. They don't all have to be set to 4 ticks. Record your loop and post it on YouTube. Put the link of your video in the comment section below. And once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. Like and subscribe for more content, and also stay tuned for the next episode in this series. But for now, bye.